Here's how to fix a mouse scroll wheel that is jumping, going the wrong direction, or being unresponsive. The most common cause is dust and debris around the scroll wheel sensor. Take a cloth and press the end of it into the gaps on either side of the scroll wheel, working around the edges to dislodge any buildup. This alone fixes the issue for many people. If that does not help, blow firmly into the gaps several times. This sounds simple, but it works. A tiny amount of dust sitting on the optical sensor underneath the wheel is enough to cause erratic scrolling. Compressed air works even better if you have it. The third method is one most people overlook. Scroll the wheel vigorously at high speed multiple times in both directions. This works because the copper contacts inside the scroll encoder can oxidize over time, causing poor electrical contact. Vigorous scrolling physically cleans the contact surface and restores proper detection. This is one of the most effective fixes and requires nothing at all. If none of these work, update your mouse drivers in Device Manager. Expand Mice and Other Pointing Devices, right-click your mouse and select Update Driver. A corrupted driver can also cause scroll wheel misbehavior that has nothing to do with the hardware. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.